Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss this problem leaders in an array from Geeks for Geeks. So first of all let's try to understand the problem. So it is saying that we will be given an array of positive integers and our task to find the leaders in the array. An element is leader which is greater than or equal to all the elements to its right side. And it's also saying that the rightmost element, that is the last element, is always a leader. So let's understand it by an example. So let's take this example 1. So in the example 1 it is given the value given r for 6 size will be given an array of 16, 17, 4, 3, 5, 2. So let's try to find the leaders here. So the last element is always a leader, so it will be 2 will be the leader, and 5 will be also leader as it is greater than all the elements to its right. 3 will not be leader as it is not greater than 5. Similarly 4 is not greater than 5, so it will not be a leader. 17 will be a leader here as it is greater than all the elements to its right, and 16 will not be a leader as it is smaller than 17. So how we are going to solve this problem? So approach we are going to use here is that I'm going to scan this array from the last element, and we will maintain a variable that is max till now, and we are going to initialize it with the last element, that is array of size minus 1. So we'll traverse from the ending, and if we find the element that is larger than or equal to, in the question both the conditions are given, that is larger than or equal to, then we will update this max, and also we'll put that element for the in the list of leaders. And it is also shown here that we have to give the output in the same sequence as the elements appear in the input array. So for doing so we have to use here a stack data structure. So we'll use here a stack of integers, and as given in the question we have to return a vector of integers. So after inserting all the elements in the stack, then we'll take all the elements from the stack and put it into a vector, then we'll return that vector. So let's try run this on this example, our approach. So we'll scan here and we'll put 2 in the max, and after then we'll move ahead, then we'll compare this 5 with this max. Yes, it is greater than the max now, and then we'll are going to update the max with 5. So first initially max was 2, now it will get updated with 5. So now max is 5, and we have inserted in a stack, we have inserted 2. So this is our stack. When we are comparing for the last element, at that time we have inserted 2 here, and when we are doing comparison for 5, then we will insert 5 above it. And after this we will move ahead, as 3 is not greater than 5, then again we will move ahead, we will not do any changes. And as 5 is also less than 5, 4 is also less than 5, so we will move ahead without doing any changes. When we will come to 17, as 17 is greater than 5, so we are going to insert here 17, and we will update our max with 17. So 16 is not greater than this 17, so we will not make any changes. So this is our final stack, and we are going to uh, pick the elements from the top. So first 17 will come, then 5 will come, then 2 will come, then we are going to put this into a vector and we are going to return that vector. So now let's code this. So as discussed, I am here declaring a vector of int named as answer, and stack of int named as st, and declaring the variable max till now with the last element, that is a n minus 1. So putting here a for loop for traversal of the array. A traversal will start from the ending index, so I is equal to n minus 1 till I remains greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. So if this max till now the element is greater than or equal to this max till now, then we are going to perform two operations. That is, I'm going to update this max till now with the value of the element of array, and I'll push that element into stack. So after this for loop will get executed, we'll have all the required elements in our stack. Now taking out all the elements from the stack and putting it into vector in this while loop, so till our stacks become empty, t dot empty. So answer dot push back st dot top, and I'm going to remove that top element from the stack so that it will get empty after getting all the elements removed from it. So after this while loop will get executed, our vector will contain all the required elements. So now returning the vector answer, return answer. So now our code is completed. Now running it, there is some typo. So at 22 I've used AR, the name of array is A, and int is missing here. Now running it again. So it's showing the our code is showing the required output. Let's submit it. So all the test cases are passed, so it's the code is working fine. So hope you have understood the problem and the code of the problem. Thank you.